Hey y'all, I go by the name of Roxy Rose, and this is Roxy Rose Guides. Pack with me for my vacation. Ooh, I'm glad you're here. Hello, and welcome back to Roxy Rose Guides. This time we're gonna switch it up. You know, these are some of the little things I'm getting into, and something I want to get into today is a pack with me video because I am packing for my vacation, aka a bachelorette trip for my best friend. So I'm super excited to go ahead and just start packing and getting everything ready because we're gonna need to be leaving about next week. So I just want to make sure that we have everything that we need before we leave. So let me go ahead and just see if I can organize this real quick so we can get it in a space where it makes more sense. All right, so now you saw how I kind of organized everything. So I have a bunch of different things I need to make sure that's in this. Currently have my towel, my cover-ups. So these are all like rompers or cover-ups for my bathing suits. Like different things to go ahead and cover up my bathing suits when we go out. It also easily dries. Over here we have all the bathing suits that I have. So I have a bunch of bathing suits. I was going to buy some new ones, but I'm like, no. Underwear. I got my dresses. So these are dresses. These are like, not overalls, but they're like rompers and like long. You know what I mean? Like you have to take off the whole thing to pee. And then we have here, these are all my shirts. And back here, these are all my shorts. So these are all of my shorts that I have, including my pajamas that are there. So that's really good. And then I have one little sun hat. I think I'm going to bring it. Not so sure, but that is basically what I have. And now I'm going to put a little extra stuff, like probably my bras and, you know, definitely my shoes. I'll show you guys my shoes in a little bit. But yes, I have all of that. Now, I got to bring you guys something extra that I got to put on the side, which are my bags, all right? So here are some of my bags. So with all my bags, I have my little, I got a fanny pack, which is helpful, another crossbody bag and another Kate Spade crossbody bag. And then I have this like 2-for-1 set. I like this 2-for-1 set because it kind of like, I just have to take this bag and put it in this other one. Now I do have another beach bag that I'm like waiting for my mom to return because it's a huge beach bag. But I feel like this is something that you could take around if you're going shopping and you want to throw little things in your bag or different things like that while you're on vacation. So yeah, we have all of this. So now I'm going to go ahead and just open up the suitcases and, you know, the tote and carry collection that I have and see, let's go ahead and see what we can fit in there because I'm definitely going to need some room for my carry-on. And I didn't even get to all the little things that I'm bringing. So I definitely need that. So let me just go ahead and open up these tote and carry bags and my Samsonite suitcase because I have a carry-on that I'm going to bring as well. Y'all, I pack a lot. I pack a lot for vacation. It don't matter if it's one day, a weekend, a month. I'm packing a lot. So let me go ahead and put some, take those out. there we have all of our bags. So now what I want to do is just kind of break up, because I know for my carry-on, I want to make sure. So let me just show you. So like I have a corner of my room where I have like all of these different stuff that I need to make sure also go in my bag. Now I know you can only have a certain amount of liquids. So some of the things will have to be put into my some of the things have to be put into my check bag just to make sure I have what I need. So I'm going to see how much I can fit into this carry-on. If I could fit it into this carry-on, just to see, you know, how much space I actually have to go ahead and work with. And I'll put this towel inside of this one, because then I could keep that nice and safe with all the liquids and stuff that I have that's going to be going on the trip with us. So let's, I'll fast forward through that so y'all can see it. So now I have this bag, but you see, like, I can still put my whole hand in here. It's big. It's not full completely, but it's just full enough. And I didn't even start packing my backpack yet. I didn't even finish doing this. Like, this still has a lot of room. And that's okay, because you know what we got next? Shoes. So this is my shoe collection, especially for the summertime. I got my dancing shoes, my going out shoes, and then I got sandals, and usually I bring a sneaker or two for like walking around the city, exploring and stuff like that. So I'm not sure which ones I should bring. Like I usually bring this one, you tell because it's kind of like discolored, but this is the hottest shoe. Everybody loves this shoe, so probably gonna take this. I'm definitely gonna take these. I'm going to take this or my black ones. I got these Keds or my black ones that are really helpful and nice. And I don't know. Usually I like these. So I kind of got to see like how I'm feeling. I got to see how I'm feeling. I don't want to bring all these yellow shoes. I'll probably just bring one. What do you guys think about these ones? I like these because you could tie them up, but I don't like the suede for going on vacation. I really like these for going on vacation. I'm probably just gonna take these. This one's beautiful, but the suede is a little much for me. I'd rather be in the city using this suede. These, oh, these heels. I mean, they're cute, but I don't know if I want to deal with heels right now, like real heels. We'll see how I feel. I'm probably gonna bring these. So those and those. Okay. So now let's put them in the bag. So I'm gonna put my favorite new shoes in my carry-on because I'm definitely gonna wear this no matter what. But these, I'll just say this because I can definitely wear this at the airport. And these, I'm gonna scooch in and put in here. Along with these shoes. Everybody loves these shoes. I'm not sure. Maybe it's because it's super bright. And these as well. And maybe I won't bring these. I had on these. So there we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of shoes, 6 with my sneakers. All right, so now I gotta add the gifts in here. So I have like a bottle and I basically covered it in plastic twice, and I'm about to roll it up in this towel so that it's fully protected during this flight. So if somebody goes ahead and tries to like throw the bag, you know, nothing's done. And then even if it does bust, it's covered. It's like completely covered and submerged. And then I have this bottle also, which I'm going to take something and cover. And just cover the space so that no matter what, even if something busts inside of the bag, like it's completely covered in fabric and it won't like come out or mess up. And then I have another gift. I'll just put my gift in here. And I have some t-shirts. I don't want to let anybody know what they look like yet. If y'all continue to watch this journey, you'll be able to see what these. I have some t-shirts. I don't really want y'all to know what it looks like yet. All right, shout out to Hello Hand Pressed. They went ahead and made our bachelorette trip shirts. Although I will be honest, I kind of think I ordered too big for the girls. So maybe like some oversized shirts, but that's okay. We'll figure out something to make it look nice. So let me put those in really quickly. So y'all probably wondering, how am I going to fit my purses and stuff into these bags? Well, I'm going to figure out a way. Let's see what I can do. So, sorry, I just went ahead and put my bag inside of another bag. And then I'm just going to continue to do those and just stuff it into my suitcase. So there, I mean, my box is empty. I have, this bag is full of some things. I'm going to try to put on more of my liquids and, you know, toothpaste and things that need to be checked into bags like these. And then this big bag is going to carry the heavy stuff that I definitely can't carry. Guys, before we go forward, I really want to talk to you guys about some Amazon finds that I think are really helpful. The first one is an atomizer. This is to take all of your perfumes. So I have a bunch of perfumes, and it puts it in a little kit like this. Basically, you take it out, you squeeze it, and you can squeeze your perfume, and then you put it back in. It's nice, it's lightweight, and you can carry it with you while you're on vacation, not just at your villa or where you're at, but you can put it with all your stuff. So instead of me making excuses how to carry these big bottles, I can go ahead and taking these big bottles, I can go ahead and take it and pump it and put it into this, and that will go ahead and be my perfume or my cologne. So I got this on Amazon. It's really nice. I never actually questioned having something like this before, so this is kind of really cool. Great idea. Also, this thing. So I got a portable door lock from Amazon. And this is cool because it allows you to lock the door from the inside. As long as, you know, you can open the door from the inside, you can pull it open. You can put ahead and put this door, so if anybody tries to come into your hotel room, into your villa, into the space that you're staying at, you can put this into the door, and it's like an extra lock. You know, God forbid you need it, or you need an extra security. If you're traveling alone, you can go ahead and get this, and this should be able to help keep you safe. So I really like these ideas. Not this. I really like these ideas. These are great Amazon finds. I'm probably going to do a little reel on these two because I really like this. There's a bunch of toiletries that we have to get into, so let's go ahead. So y'all excuse the noise next door. They are doing some kind of power washing. I don't know why. But basically, these are all the things that I have that I'm organizing as my toiletries. Some of them will be going into my carry-on bag, and then the other ones will be put into our check bag because I feel like these are too many toiletries and they're gonna have a problem with it. So let's go ahead and see what I can do. By the way, some of these things, like I was gonna put like a hair mask, but I plan on having braids, so I'm not gonna do a hair mask anymore. I might ask if anybody else on the trip needs it, but I'm just gonna put things on the side that I don't need anymore because I'm not gonna use it. So So these are different things as well. This is hair gel. This is lotion. And this is also lotion. So I'm probably just going to fill these up to the max with lotion. I like putting lotion in these little things because they're really small and compact. And I could just bring it with me outside of the villa and stuff when I need to. So let me go ahead and do that. I'm gonna see if we can put these perfumes, these beautiful perfumes, into an atomizer. So let's see. There's my atomizers, and those are all the original perfumes. Yeah, so I mean, it works really well, and they all pop up and pop back down. If it doesn't pop down all the way, you probably didn't screw it in correctly, which is kind of cool. That kind of lets you know that it's not going to leak, that it screws all the way down. I got my Dolce & Gabbana, my Victoria's Secret, and my Juicy Couture, and yeah, I'm ready for vacation. So yeah. So here are all my bags. I'm still not fully packed, but you know, this is the beginning of my packing process. I at least have my backpack, my personal item, my carry-on, and my check bag, which honestly I'm probably gonna get a bigger bag because I realized I'm kind of stuffed it up and I need to still put these. And I still got some other stuff to put, like I gotta put a balloon blower in there and this hat. But basically I'm packed up and ready to go on vacation. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a little bit into my world and into what I'm really excited about, which is this bachelorette trip, which I will be vlogging. This will be my first vlog. I hope you guys stay tuned with the stuff you know I'm trying to get into. These are one of the things. So go ahead and like and subscribe if you didn't already. Take care, and I hope that you enjoy. God bless, and Roxy Rose out.